So Chief Minister Baswaraj Bommai is getting down to business. He's going to be deciding what Team Bommai is going to look like. And we have the inside track here on India Today on what really you can expect, who's in and who's out. Well, what we're being told from sources in the BJP is that much like what happened in the Union Cabinet rejig, you're going to be seeing a lot of changes, a lot of young, fresh blood to be brought into the state cabinet. Remember, it's a 24-member state cabinet, and we're being told that several new faces could be brought in, and that means that several ministers in the Yediyurappa cabinet are likely to face the axe. Former Deputy Chief Minister K.S. Ishwarappa, former Chief Minister himself Jagdish Shettar, Shashikala Jole, Kota Srinivas Pujari, MTB Nagaraj, Srimant Patil, K. Gopalaya and R. Shankar are likely to be dumped. K. Purnima, Sunil Kumar, Muniratna, Raju Gowda and P. Rajiv are likely to be inducted, are likely to be made ministers.
ಆ ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆ ಆಗದೇ ಇರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ಕೈಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾರಣ ಒಂದು ಮಾಜಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ನೈತಿಕತೆಯ ಕಾರಣದ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಈ ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ಕೈಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮಾನ್ಯ ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪನವರು ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಲೀಡರ್ ಇದ್ದರಿಂದ ಅವರು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹಲವಾರು ಸರ್ಕಾರ ರಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮಂತ್ರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಈಗ ಈ ಒಂದು ಮಾಜಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಕಾರಣದ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಪುಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆ ಆಗದೇ ಇರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
Let me take this across now to Nolan Pinto. He's joining us live from Bengaluru with the latest updates. Nolan, good morning. Baswaraj Bommai's transition, him becoming the Chief Minister, very smooth. But now the BJP, we're being told, could make some big changes also with regards to Team Bommai and the cabinet in the state. Will it ruffle some feathers if, going by sources, likes of Ishwarappa, Jagdish Shettar are removed?
Well, good morning, Akshita. In fact, before all this happened itself, there was talk that like what really happened in the center, the state government also is preparing for the 2023 elections. That is the BJP over here. So they want young and fresh faces. What we're told is that in the Bommai cabinet, he will be looking into caste, community and region, and a large number of core BJP party workers who have actually risen from the ranks will actually get a chance this time around. And if for the names that you mentioned, some of them were in fact dissenters. They were unhappy that all the plum posts were given to those who jumped ship from the Congress and the JDS alliance to help the BJP to form the government. So what we are told from our sources is that those who have actually not worked well will be dropped. Some of them have not performed to the level of expectation, and new fresh faces will be given a chance. We are told that Arvind Bella also will get a chance this time around. He was also in the reckoning to be the next Chief Minister of Karnataka. But all this will happen only after the central observers have a discussion with the Prime Minister, Nadda and Amit Shah, and also after Chief Minister Baswaraj Bommai head to Delhi. Then only we will actually have some sort of a final decision that will be taken. But what we are told again is that they will not delay cabinet formation. 34 is the number, including the Chief Minister. A large number will be dropped. Many from the ones who jumped from the Congress and JDS will still retain their plum posts, keeping in mind that B.S. Yediyurappa had promised them and assured them that their interests will be taken care of.
All right, Nolan, thank you for all those details. We'll be tracking all the latest coming in from Karnataka and whether there's any announcement being made today on exactly who will be a part of the 24-member state cabinet. So let's take a look at exactly what the new state cabinet is going to look like. Which are the leaders who are likely to be axed? Senior leaders like K.S. Ishwarappa, who served previously as even the Deputy Chief Minister, right now was a minister in the Yediyurappa cabinet. He is in all likelihood going to be shown the door. Jagdish Shettar, who served as the Chief Minister even, was a minister in the Yediyurappa cabinet, a very senior BJP leader. He said that I don't want to be a part of the cabinet. So he too, in all likelihood, will not be a part of Team Bommai. Besides that, several other names. Shashikala Jole, social activist, very popular in Karnataka, was the Women Development Minister. She is now not going to be a part, in all likelihood, of the Bommai cabinet. Besides that, other names that are coming to light is K. Srinivas Pujari, a former minister. BJP source is telling us that he too could be shown the door. Now, several other senior BJP leaders like MTB Nagaraj, someone who was a turncoat, there were a lot of questions about whether they'll be accommodated again. What we're being told is that MTB Nagaraj will not be a part of the Bommai cabinet. Srimant Patil, former minister, is not perhaps going to be a minister this time around. And then you have R. Shankar as well as K. Gopalaya, both former ministers who will in all likelihood not be a part of this cabinet. Sources have told us that these are the names that the BJP is thinking about replacing, but we'll have to see exactly what the High Command decides. Bommai has made it very clear that the High Command will decide finally.